This is the consistency we want right here, guys.
Exactly. Cheers to you, man.
Oh yeah. Hi guys, welcome. This is Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. I'm your host Ray.
And this is Max.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make this. This is called the Neon Blue.
Neon Blue. Let's go.
Okay guys, so first thing you're going to want to do is you've got a blender, right? We've got our $30 little Ninja whatever hunk of junk.
What's wrong with it, man? It's perfect.
So, we've got our blending cup here. It's supposed to symbolize a full cup, right?
Yep.
What we're going to start with is we start with 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Right.
Max is going to be our bartender today, as you can see. Brilliant, brilliant. Awesome. Next thing we want to do is we want to throw in the sugar. We're going to go with 1 tablespoon of sugar, just white refined sugar. We're not talking about brown or any of that icing sugar stuff. We want just white refined regular sugar. We're going to go with 1 tablespoon of that. You throw that right on top.
Right.
The importance of putting the sugar in next is because you really want it to mix. If you put it in first, it will get stuck to the top of whatever you're using to blend with.
Yep.
In our case, it's this little Ninja thing.
Yep.
So that's why we're going about it this way.
All right.
Next, we're going to put 1 ounce of blue Curacao.
All right.
I'm pretty sure I butchered that, but that's what it is.
So, yeah. Okay. 1.5.
Just one of
Just
that.
one?
Just one of that.
Ah, okay.
So, brilliant. That's done.
Okay.
Next ingredient, we've got the lemonade. We're going to go 2 ounces
Yep.
of lemonade. Now, as you can see, we're going generic for you, because why not?
Hey, it's limited, okay? Savings all the time.
Savings. In future videos, we'll get into the fresh squeezed, you know. For right now, we just want to give you guys something you can do at home.
Hey.
Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of Sprite.
Yep. That's what that is.
Brilliant job. Masterful. Masterful work, this guy.
Trying.
Now you're killing it, man. You're killing it.
Ah, okay.
Well, all those people at home, they're going to do the same thing. All right, next thing we want to do is we want to put 3/4 of a cup of ice.
Yep.
This is going to be represented for us by this little max fill line right here.
Yep, exactly. So, 8 pieces of ice. Where is my line?
Oh, you good?
Think I'm good?
Yeah, you got one more in there? Bang.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to cap this bitch off. That pop means it's on.
Mm-hmm.
Show me that shake. No, give us the bartender shake. Yeah, baby. Yeah. All right, blend that shit.
Let's go.
So what we're looking for is we're looking for this froth-like consistency, just like that.
Yeah.
That's going to give you the slush element, but it's also going to make for a tasty drink.
Yeah. So not too much time, not too little, because obviously if it's too little, yeah, I don't know how that's gonna.
Yeah. This is the consistency we want right here, guys.
Exactly.
Maybe a little more there.
Yeah. Equality, man. Make it equal, you know?
Got our little blue straws to go with our blue drinks.
Hey.
And there you have it. Cheers.
Cheers to you, man.
Oh yeah. Papa Bar got nothing on us. Please don't forget to smash that like button, and what do we do to the bell?
Ding, 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 ding. Hit it.
Hit that notification bell, guys. Please feel free to leave a comment if there's other drinks you'd like us to try out. As you can see, we tried to keep this one simple for you guys, just stuff you'd have lying around your house or in your fridge.
Yep.
And stay tuned.